So I'm just going to start with a random chart. Let's start from the bottom here. So GBP, JPY. So this is where current market price is right now. What I start is I go to the weekly chart and I do these on all of these Forex pairs you see here. Most of the FX majors and minors. I exclude some of them like CAD, CHF and a couple others, but all of them are right here on the right side of the screen. Then what I do is I look at where current market price is. Right here, current market price is just floating around at this price, 204.1. All I do is I look at one area above price and one area below price where price could bounce. Now, generally speaking, right, price tends to bounce around areas where it's bounced in the past. So these kind of regions right here where it's bounced as resistance, broke above, came back, bounced as support, then took off. So what we can do here is we can just draw one zone above price and one zone below price. You're not always going to have a zone above price and you're not always going to have a zone below price. However, if the zones are there, then you draw them. In this case, right, these two little highs over here might not even be included because we can work with these ones that are more recent on the chart. I just draw one zone above price and one below price, provided that there is in fact an area that's clear where price bounced at. Then after I get the zones constructed, I make sure it encapsulates all the price data. So once I have a zone above price and below price, all I do is I look at the middle of the zone and then I set a trading view alert there in the middle of the zone. The middle of the zone is the best spot to enter because it's a good balance between having an optimal entry and it's also a good balance between that optimal entry and not missing trades by waiting for extremes. What I've found in my decade of experience, having made millions of dollars in the Forex, crypto, and stock markets combined, is that just entering about halfway into the zone works perfectly fine.